It's a 2007 Chevrolet Suburban. The Chevrolet Suburban is the American original with no equal. The spacious interior offers a place for everything and everybody, any way you fold it. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Automatic transmission, dual zone climate control, AM/FM satellite radio, rear parking sensors, leather bucket seats, remote engine start, entertainment system with DVD, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, selective service internet access, and V8 engine. Edmunds.com highlights 9 people seating, class-leading cargo capacity, lots of standard features, comfortable ride, and smooth V8. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.